podcast contains strong
Whether it's
language
morning,
which
noon,
may
or
be
night,
offensive
the
to
Learn,
some.
Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. And here is your quote. You are the artist of your life. Don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. You might sometimes feel that your life is a day after day slogfest, trying to battle with whatever life brings you, but it doesn't have to be this way. You are the artist of your life. You have the paintbrush to hand to create your masterpiece in this world. Every brush stroke creates another action in this journey of an adventure that you're creating every single day. How it looks at the end is completely up to you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.